In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify store to Instagram Shop. To make this seamless, remember that Instagram shopping runs through Meta. You'll be connecting your Shopify products to Meta's tools so they can appear on Instagram. Before you start, it helps if your Instagram account is set to professional, it's connected to a Facebook page you manage, and your products follow commerce policies with clear titles, prices, images, shipping, and refund details. Those aren't new actions for today, just a quick check to save you time later. First, open your Shopify admin and land on the home dashboard of your store. From there, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, find Apps and Sales Channels. Some stores label this simply as Apps, but it's the same area where you manage integrations. Next, open the Shopify App Store from this page. In the search bar, type Meta. You're looking for the official Facebook and Instagram app by Meta. This is the all-in-one connector that handles Facebook, Instagram Shop, and product catalog syncing. Click the app to open its page, then choose Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen explaining what the app can access, such as your products and orders. Review these details, then confirm install again to approve access. It's normal to see two screens here. The first adds the app to your store, and the second confirms the permissions it needs to work. Once the app opens, you'll see Meta's guided setup. It walks you through connecting your Facebook account, selecting the correct business manager, and choosing the product catalog that will sync from Shopify. The setup also covers Instagram shopping and eligibility review within the same flow. If domain verification is requested, just follow the on-screen prompts inside the wizard. After setup, syncing may take a little while. Give it time, especially if you have many products. A few quick tips as you finish. Make sure your products are set to be available on the Instagram sales channel in Shopify. Availability controls which items sync. Use high-quality square images with clean backgrounds so your products look great in tags. If you see any product rejections, check for missing GTNs, inconsistent variants, or restricted items, then resubmit. Finally, keep your inventory accurate in Shopify. Stock levels and pricing changes will flow to Instagram automatically. That's it. You've installed the Meta app from the Shopify App Store and kicked off the connection needed for Instagram Shop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy selling directly on Instagram.